Hello, today we're going to be talking about coordinate grids. And our vocabulary today is not necessarily definitions, but just knowing when you see these things what they are and what they're used for. So the first thing that I want you to be familiar with is the phrase ordered pairs. And if we see ordered pairs, we're going to see as parentheses and two numbers separated by a comma. So anytime you see that, that is called an ordered pair. The other phrase that I want you to be familiar with is letter number pairs. And letter number pairs, we're going to see parentheses and we're going to see a letter and a number. Both of those are used to find or plot locations, and usually they're referring to a map of some kind. So we're going to take a look at a page from your journal, and this is actually a map of the island of Ireland, and these are all the different places that we could locate on that map. So when we look at this map, we can see that we have letters and numbers around the perimeter. And then we have a map scale up at the top left. And of course we have our compass rose down at the bottom right. Now up at the top of your page you can see that we have places like Bantry, Belfast, Carlow, and all of these other places that are located in Ireland. And notice that we have a letter and a number next to each of those places. So what did I tell you that those were called? Hopefully you've got that written down in your notes. Okay, a letter number pair. So if we were going to locate, for example, the place called Bantry, notice it says B1. So down at the bottom of the map, I'm going to go over to letter B, and then I'm going to travel up to the number 1, and right here should be Bantry. Okay? See if I can erase this without losing my map there. Okay, so let's say that we are trying to find Derry, and it says it's located at E8. So I'm going to travel over to the letter E, and then I'm going to go up to the letter 8, which is way up here. And I should run into Derry up there. Okay. So I'm going to erase that. And we're going to take a look and try to find one more. Oh, this is an interesting one. Lame. We are going to go over to letter F. So here's F. And we're going to go up to 7. And so lame should be located right there. It's not quite at 7. It's a little in between there. But that's how we would locate that particular place in Ireland. So basically what you need to remember anytime you are given ordered pairs or letter number pairs, you're going to go to the bottom first, and you're going to go over and then up. Okay, so you're going to go over to the letter first, then up to the number. Same thing if we had just two numbers there. We would go over to the first number, up to the second number to find our coordinate. So, to summarize what we've talked about today, we looked at a coordinate grid. We used ordered pairs or letter number pairs. In this instance, we used the letter number pairs. And we learned that we need to go over, then up to find the location. And that is very, very important that you go in that particular order. That's also going to come in handy because I'm going to teach you how to play a game called Over and Up Squares. So that's all I have for this lesson. It's pretty short. Thank you for watching.